Welcome, everyone. Today, we are going to talk about one of the most important topics for our health and well-being: how to sleep fast at night. Many people struggle to fall asleep quickly. They toss and turn in bed, their mind keeps running, and before they realize, hours have passed without proper rest. Sleep is not only about closing our eyes, it is about recharging our body and brain so that we wake up fresh, energetic, and ready for the next day. The first step to sleeping fast at night is creating a consistent routine. Our body loves rhythm and habit. When you go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, your brain naturally starts preparing for sleep at that hour. This internal clock called the circadian rhythm is the foundation of good sleep. So fix a sleeping time and stick to it, even on weekends. The second important step is to limit your screen time. Many of us use mobile phones, laptops, or watch television right before bed. These devices emit blue light, which tricks our brain into thinking it is still daytime and suppresses the production of melatonin, which is the sleep hormone. If you want to fall asleep fast, avoid screens at least 1 hour before bed. Instead, read a physical book, listen to calm music, or do light meditation. Third, avoid stimulants such as caffeine and nicotine, especially in the evening. Coffee, tea, energy drinks, and even chocolates contain caffeine, which stays in your system for several hours, making it harder to relax. Nicotine is also a stimulant, so if you smoke close to bedtime, it will interfere with sleep. Instead, choose calming drinks such as warm milk or herbal teas like chamomile. Another tip is to keep your bedroom environment cool, dark, and quiet. A comfortable environment signals the brain that it is time to rest. The ideal temperature for sleep is slightly cooler than during the day. Use blackout curtains or an eye mask to block light. And if there is noise, use earplugs or white noise machines. Even small changes in your bedroom can make a big difference. Fifth, let's talk about exercise. Regular physical activity helps you sleep better, but timing matters. Intense exercise right before bed can actually keep you awake because it raises your heart rate and body temperature. Try to exercise in the morning or afternoon so that by night your body is naturally ready for rest. Gentle stretching or yoga in the evening can also relax your muscles and mind. Now, another reason people cannot sleep fast is stress and overthinking. We carry our worries to bed and keep replaying events in our mind. A powerful solution is relaxation techniques such as deep breathing meditation or progressive muscle relaxation. Try this simple exercise. Breathe in deeply through your nose. Hold for 4 seconds, then slowly breathe out through your mouth. Do this for 5 minutes and you will feel calm and drowsy. Diet also plays a role. Heavy meals, oily food, or spicy food before bedtime can disturb digestion and prevent deep sleep. Try to eat your dinner at least 2 to 3 hours before sleeping. Choose light, balanced meals that are easy to digest. A small, healthy snack like a banana or handful of nuts can also support sleep, but avoid overeating. Hydration is important, but remember not to drink too much water right before bed. Otherwise, you will keep waking up to use the bathroom during the night, which breaks your sleep cycle. Take enough fluids in the day and just a little water in the evening. Another effective habit is writing down your thoughts. If you feel anxious or your mind is full of ideas, take a notebook and write them before bed. This brain dump helps clear mental clutter and tells your mind it can rest without worrying about forgetting something. You should also avoid naps during the day, especially long naps. If you sleep for hours in the afternoon, your body may not feel sleepy at night. If you are very tired, limit your nap to 20 minutes earlier in the day so it refreshes you without harming nighttime sleep. Avoid alcohol as a sleep aid. Many believe alcohol helps them fall asleep, but in reality, it reduces the quality of deep sleep and makes you wake up multiple times at night. Instead of feeling fresh, you will feel tired the next morning. Let us not forget the power of consistent relaxation activities. Reading a calming book, taking a warm shower, listening to soothing instrumental music, or practicing gratitude journaling can signal to your brain that it is time to unwind. These small rituals train your mind to associate them with sleep. So to summarize, here is what you should avoid before bed. Avoid screens and blue light. Avoid caffeine, nicotine, and alcohol. Avoid heavy meals and too much water. Avoid stress and overthinking without relaxation. Avoid long naps and intense late-night exercise. and here is what you should do. Create a routine. Keep your room cool and dark. Practice relaxation techniques. Stay active in the day, but gentle at night. Use calming activities and maintain a healthy diet. Sleep is a natural process, but in today's busy world, we often disturb it with bad habits. If you correct these habits, you will find that falling asleep becomes easier and faster. Remember, good sleep is not a luxury. It is a necessity for physical health, mental clarity, and emotional balance. Thank you for staying with me and learning about how to sleep fast at night. Start applying these tips today, and you will notice a positive difference in your sleep quality. Stay healthy and sleep well.